Please like, share, and subscribe. The bleeding heart flower, scientifically known as Lamprocapnos spectabilis, formerly Dicentra spectabilis, is a herbaceous perennial plant native to Siberia, northern China, Korea, and Japan. Here is some information about the bleeding heart flower. 1. Flower appearance. The bleeding heart flower is known for its unique and distinctive appearance. It produces arching stems with pendant, heart-shaped flowers that hang delicately along the length of the stem. The flowers typically have 2 outer petals, which resemble an outer heart, and 2 inner petals, which often form a protruding inner drop or bleeding heart. The flowers come in shades of pink, red, or white, depending on the variety. 2. Blooming period. Bleeding heart flowers bloom in the spring, typically from late spring to early summer, depending on the climate and growing conditions. The blooming period can last for several weeks, with the flowers adding a charming touch to the garden landscape. 3. Growing conditions. Bleeding heart plants prefer partial to full shade and moist, well-drained soil. They are often found growing in woodland settings or shady garden borders. Adequate moisture is essential for the health and vigor of bleeding heart plants, especially during periods of hot, dry weather. 4. Foliage. In addition to its unique flowers, bleeding heart plants also feature attractive, fern-like foliage. The leaves are deeply lobed and often have a bluish-green hue. The foliage emerges in early spring and remains attractive throughout the growing season, providing a lush backdrop for the delicate flowers. 5. Cultural significance. Bleeding heart flowers have cultural significance in various traditions and folklore. In Victorian flower language, bleeding heart flowers symbolize romantic love and compassion. They are often associated with sentiments of affection and are popular choices for weddings, anniversaries, and other special occasions. 6. Propagation. Bleeding heart plants can be propagated by division or seeds. Division is typically done in the fall or early spring when the plants are not actively growing. Seeds can be collected from mature seed pods and sown in a well-prepared seedbed or container. 7. Care and maintenance. Bleeding heart plants are relatively low maintenance once established. They benefit from regular watering, especially during dry periods, and a layer of mulch around the base of the plants can help conserve soil moisture and suppress weeds. Fertilizing with a balanced fertilizer in the spring can promote healthy growth and flowering. Overall, bleeding heart flowers are cherished for their unique beauty, graceful appearance, and cultural significance. They are beloved additions to shade gardens, woodland landscapes, and cottage-style gardens, where their delicate flowers and foliage can be appreciated up close.